Okay, okay, I'm done. What do y'all think of my makeup? Hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita, back with another video. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Beautiful people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So in this video, you guys, I want to do the 5-minute makeup challenge. So I have 5 minutes to do my makeup, you guys. I have my light here. So I have my light in my mirror here, and I actually have all of my makeup here on the side. So I'm gonna put everything next to me, and let me tell you guys the makeup that I use too. And I just want to get my makeup done. That'd be the biggest thing for me. I think my makeup looks good enough for a camera, and that's all I really care about. So this is the foundation I use. I use the Revlon cappuccino, and then I also, here's my sponge. I could actually go and wet it, that I use. I forgot, actually this is the Walgreens brand sponge. It's the Walgreens brand sponge, and it comes with like a pink egg that you could put this in to like store it. Here's my brush. I'm going to use my brush to do me some eyeshadow. Here's the mascara that I use. This is some mascara that I got from MAC, but I always tell you guys, this is not my favorite mascara. My favorite mascara is that Benefit Bad Girl. Like, that's my favorite. Here is the concealer that I sometimes use. I'm not going to use any concealer this time, but this is the concealer that I sometimes use, and it's by Revlon too. I don't like this color, and I think it's way too light. And this stuff right here is full coverage. You know what? Matter of fact, I will use a little bit, because y'all can see like my eyes are really dark. So I will use a little bit of this concealer. And this is the eyeshadow that I'm going to put on. It's by Maybelline. This is all like drugstore makeup, you guys, except for... There you go. The only thing that's not drugstore makeup is the MAC. But other than that, y'all can get this from drugstore. This is what I just put on my face as a moisturizer. So this is what I put on my face as a moisturizer, you guys. And I kind of did a little something to my hair. Nothing spectacular. But I just put a little swoop in it just for right now. And I put some jam in it, basically. I need to figure out what products I need to put in my hair, y'all. I really do. And these are the flat irons I used. I used the Baby Bliss flat irons, and they're actually still on. So these are the actual flat irons that I do use, you guys. Oh, wrong way, you guys. I'm sorry. There you go, the Baby Bliss, and they're blue. I really like these flat irons, and they actually can go all the way up to 465, but I just use 410 on my hair. So I think we're done with this. We can let that actually cool off. Is there anything else I'm using? No, I'm gonna just use these different products. Let me go ahead and wet my sponge, and then let's go ahead and start doing this 5-minute challenge. And y'all leave it alone. My makeup ain't the best. It's just enough, because I'm going today and doing like a just a pamper me day. So yeah, let's get this cracking. Let me go and wet my sponges, and I'm gonna wet both of them. I need both. So I'm gonna start at the 6-minute mark, you guys, and then I'm going to start doing my makeup. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Now I know it's like 11 basically. At 11 I should be done. But today, you guys, I am actually going to do a girls day, where I'm going to, not a girls day, but just a day for myself, you guys. Like a day where I'm just going to pamper myself. So that's why I'm doing my makeup right now. I have to go to just enjoy myself for a little bit, get myself together. I have a lot of big things coming up. If y'all don't know, I've been putting a lot of press-ons on my nails, because I have not been getting my nails done. I just been putting the press-ons on. But one of my videos, my nail popped off. My nail popped off on the video. So yeah. Oh, it took me a minute to do that. I need to hurry up. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And I like to put this on first because I see it fall down some on under my eyelid. So I'll put this on first. Okay. Oh my gosh, y'all think I'm gonna make it? Oh my gosh, the guy is here to cut the grass, y'all. I usually just do this to take like the extra off and just make it look smooth. Okay, perfect. Alrighty, so now where are we at? Okay, I got 3 minutes. Oh my gosh, hurry up. Where are we at? Okay. Okay, looking good, y'all. Oh my gosh. They are going to know. Oh my gosh, they're not going to know. I'm like trying to hurry up. Now, I did quick makeup before though. I'm just gonna put it on my neck. Oh my gosh. Okay, maybe put a little bit more under my eyes. Oh my God. I got less than 2 minutes left. Let me stop looking up. Okay. Let's see. Let's put some mascara on. Please don't be like me. Make sure y'all wipe all this mascara off, like wipe it, wash it off. Like don't wipe it off, wash it off, because that's when your eyelashes will look raggedy like this. I like to put a little bit on my brows. Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh, I got less than a minute. Okay, I can do this. I can do this. I got this. Calm down. You got this. I think my makeup is still kind of cute. Okay, and then I'm going to use some of my lip gloss that I got from Leah Beauty, you guys. It's my daughter's lip gloss she actually makes, and you guys most likely see me in all my videos. But let me put some of this on. Oh my gosh, 20 seconds. Oh, I think I look good. I think. What y'all think? Y'all think I did good? Good enough. My eyebrows, do I got enough time? 5, 4. No, I don't. Let me leave it alone. 2, 1. Okay, that's it. Okay, I'm done. What do y'all think of my makeup? Let me come on to y'all, girl. What do y'all think? How do y'all think I did? For 5 minutes. Let me back up off of y'all some if y'all just see me doing the video. Hey beautiful people, it's Rickita back with another video. How do y'all feel? Do y'all feel like it's nice? I want y'all to do the 5-minute makeup challenge. I don't know if y'all put on makeup or what, but I want y'all to do the challenge and let me know what it looked like and tell me how I did too. Be honest. Let me know. Let me know, y'all. Alrighty. See you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.